see. There's a main battle tank over there, but we'll be fine.
Oh my god, it's gonna shoot us down. I've been attacked by convoys before, and I'm pretty sure the tank just looked up, aimed at me, and shot. And I was sufficiently destroyed.
We'll be fine. We've got parachutes. Here,
that is true.
We'll go the cool way.
The cool way? Oh my gosh, that's gonna be even worse. The higher we are, the better! Oh my god! I'm already preparing for imminent destruction. I can smell the grass, the freshly cut grass.
Oh my god, wrong one! We were just 0 meters from the ground.
Yeah, I know, because like we were basically touching it.
You're just being a wuss.
How do you drive helicopters so efficiently, but then the moment you get in a car, I think it's because there's nothing to hit in the air. That's what it is.
Oh god!
I'm not.
That was a good landing, dude.
It was not a good landing. You injured the... breaking our engine just automatically means a bad landing.
We landed without dying, didn't we?
Wow. Live another day. Is that your motto?
Kavala Mogolis. Wonder why our engine turned off.
I think... Let's see, what are these flags from? These flags look familiar. They remind me of, what is it? The Chernaris flags. Let's see. Chernaris flag. Oh, never mind. No, I forgot Chernaris flag is...
Do we want to do a power line? Yes!
It's just a yellow and green square.
We want to do a power line.
What is... Let's see, what is that flag they have? Altus flag. Oh, I guess it's just a made-up flag.
Well, we're independent, yeah.
Well, no, but we're wearing, like, I think we're wearing the Altus Armed Forces, because, you know, AAF.
Oh!
Ooh, 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 oh my, oh there,
You give me
rock
no
the
choice,
boat.
I'm sorry.
What?
We're going lower.
Oh no, I wasn't talking about that. I was zoomed in on my joystick. Wink.
God damn it.
Oh, looks like I've got a partner here. Look at that teamwork right
my
there.
joystick's wiggling too, it's okay.